Welcome, friends. It's Bob and Fran. As most of you know, we're both in our 80s and we feel better than ever. One key reason for our enjoying great health and happiness at our age is our whole food plant-based diet. So today, we would like to tell you some of the various ways in which we have personally benefited from this eating regimen. And we've saved our favorite one to the end. So please stick around. Fran, you want to start us off?
Yes, I'd be happy to. Switching to a whole food, plant-based lifestyle enabled both of us to overcome disease. As you may have heard before, I was diagnosed with a neuromuscular disease called myasthenia gravis. In 1992, I was told that I could never get better, that my lifespan would be shortened, and that I would be on medication for the rest of my life. For 14 years, I suffered terribly until I heard a nutritionist explain that a whole food plant-based diet could reverse autoimmune disease. It's now almost 16 years, and I have been totally free of any symptoms with no medication. And my life has gotten back to normal because I switched to a whole food plant-based diet.
And with me, I was diagnosed with kidney cancer. So there was a growth on my left kidney that I had removed. But after the surgery, the doctor told me, this was a neurologist, a urologist specialist, he said that this type of cancer could possibly return. And so by switching to a whole food plant-based diet, I did this to protect myself. And so it's been almost 16 years, and that diet has worked because it has not returned.
Now, by switching to a whole food plant-based diet, it strengthened our immune systems. I have to tell you, I cannot remember the last time we even had a cold. And we both lost weight without even trying by switching to a whole food plant-based diet without added oil. In other words, no oil for cooking or for salad dressings. And we both eat as much as we want without gaining weight.
Our energy levels has been another great benefit. We seem to have endless energy throughout the entire day. And most every morning, we're still able, we live in the mountains here in Western North Carolina. And every morning we get out and we hike up a mountain.
It's improved the condition of our hair and skin by using natural products instead of products loaded with chemicals, plus eating a healthy diet. I think our skin and our hair has remained quite in good condition.
Well, you look great.
Thank you.
Fran does not look her age at all. How about our sexual health functions? They do quite well. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
And I think
That's enough on that
subject.
subject. Okay. Now, our vital signs are very good when we go for our annual checkup, our blood pressure, cholesterol, everything. The numbers are all good.
Yeah, it's been pretty consistent year after year.
Hi, friends. Just a quick break here. Bob and I are very concerned about the dangerous chemicals in our drinking water and how they can ruin our health. So for several years, we've been using this convenient and economical AquaTrue tabletop reverse osmosis system in our kitchen to transform our tap water into filtered and purified water. No installation or plumbing is needed, and the result is pure, delicious water. So we urge you to click on the AquaTrue link in the description below and see for yourself how this can add so much to your healthy lifestyle and longevity. Please invest in your health now.
3. Another benefit for us has been improved concentration. We've actually been able to focus better than ever in our life, even though we are octogenarians. So our brains are sharp. We have clear thinking, and this all pays off in terms of making decisions and things like that. So that has been a really good benefit.
Now, constipation
Oh, one of Fran's favorite subjects.
is a thing of the past on a whole food plant-based diet.
I think that's enough said on that one.
Okay.
I tell you, another thing is that we've been able to sleep better since going plant-based. It's been almost 16 years. We sleep better and we sleep longer. Another thing is that we believe that the whole food plant-based diet that we enjoy has enabled us to actually live longer, healthier. And so we're still going strong and we're sticking to it.
One benefit that we like is that we can eat as much as we want. We don't count calories. We eat until we are satisfied.
I've said this before about my little wife, who weighs like 110 pounds, that she eats like a truck driver. And we do eat a lot of food.
Yes.
And we even enjoy indulging in some desserts.
As you know, we're both chocoholics and we have lots of wonderful, delicious, healthy chocolate desserts.
You know, to me, one of the great benefits is that it just feels good eating clean like this. It's good for our overall well-being. It helps the environment in many ways. And of course, it's great for the welfare of the animals.
And we saved our favorite for last, that a whole food plant-based diet enables us to live with a youthful vitality and uplifted spirit. We simply don't feel or act old.
So there you have it. All the benefits that we have realized by switching to a whole food plant-based diet. And Fran, I think you have some words of advice for our viewers.
Yes. For those of you at any age who are thinking about going on a whole food plant-based diet, we urge you to give it a try. Test it out for 45 days and experience how wonderful it feels mentally and physically. And if you've fallen off the veggie wagon, get back on it now. And if you are on this eating regimen like us, we don't have to remind you to stay on it because it just feels too good to change.
So we always cover our
assets
by stating that it's important that you get your doctor's approval for any lifestyle change, including diet. And friends, if you've liked this content, please give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe and get notified to get more videos like this one. And
we look forward to seeing you again very soon.
bye for now.
Bye.